Hello, and welcome to the Pagination product demo. Pagination is software that helps you to streamline your publishing workflows. In this video, we'll show you what is Pagination, the benefits of cloud database publishing, the most used Pagination features, how easy it is to set up a project, how to use Pagination to create your documents. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Creating business documents quickly and without errors is challenging and very time-consuming. We built Pagination to make this process faster and smarter. But what is Pagination? Pagination is a cloud database publishing service. With Pagination, you can automatically create and update professional business documents such as catalogs and price lists in minutes in both PDF and Adobe InDesign format. PDFs can be ready to print with crop marks, bleeds, and slugs, or ready for a light and fast digital distribution. The documents are also available to download in InDesign format, so you can open and edit them easily. Pagination is cloud-based. You can use it directly from your browser, or when scheduled, setting tasks with a powerful command line interface. Even better, it works 24/7. Pagination is tailor-made. Use your InDesign template and easily connect it to your data file. If you do not have an InDesign file, don't worry. Use one of our free templates, or our design team can create a new one just for you. Pagination works with any data file format. Use your preferred business applications and export data easily to Pagination. A cloud database publishing service can help you to create documents faster and with more accuracy. The average throughput starts at 40 pages per minute. Enjoy complete freedom with the styles of your document. You can work with your data files as they are, without adapting them to a predefined data structure. Anyone in your company can use Pagination safely. No specific training is required. Pagination is available anywhere and anytime, as it is cloud-based. A cloud service offers more flexibility overall, compared to solutions hosted on a local server. It can scale as you grow. If you need more space or you want to create more documents, a cloud-based database publishing service can meet this demand instantly, and it will not be necessary to update your company's IT infrastructure. It also functions as a backup for your data. If you're not using cloud solutions, then all your precious data resides in your office computers. If these systems have a problem, you risk losing your data permanently. Pagination gives you important savings on production costs. They come from the time saved in both the design and revision processes. Pagination increases sales since you can create more documents easily in more languages and currencies or with specific product ranges. This works perfectly for all the regions where you're already doing business and for those regions that you currently don't reach but where you want to close new deals. Use your industry-specific publication rules. Merge different product codes under the same parent product and place the items in the right category or subcategory automatically. Use the layout that best fits your product. You can use as many layouts as you want. Create different tables of contents that are clickable and organized by category, product name, or part number. If you want to know more about all the features you can use, visit our website at Pagination.com/features. Pagination is easy to set up and simple to use. Let's start with what we need to set up a new project. An InDesign template of the document you want to automate. The data file you want to use. It must include all the product information you want to publish. If you have more data files, don't worry. Send us all of them. Your project files, images, icons, advertisement pages, and covers. Send us all your files, and our team will create the first automated document. When it's ready, you will log into the Pagination cloud to load data and images and launch the automatic creation of the document yourself. Let's see how to do that in 4 simple steps. 1. Open the folder of the document you want to create. 2. Upload your project's files. 3. Upload your data. This will start the Pagination process. 4. A message will inform you when the files are ready to be downloaded. Click on the link provided in the message to see all of your freshly baked documents and celebrate! That's the end. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us.